Hello people, right, it's Saturday evening and I've put together a load of charts on Twitter about what I thought of BTC USD. I love watching these things, well, charts I should say, and I like to try and work out what the hell is going on, excuse my French. That's how you learn, and that's how I learnt, or how I taught myself. So I've got a load of charts and a load of lines, but I'll do this one from scratch. This one is mainly focusing on the hourly chart, so apologies for all these squiggles and the two yellow lines. But the first thing is we can see Bitcoin is in a massive uptrend, massive. Hit all-time highs just recently. Not so long ago it was down here, literally September, October, we were at 12,000 or so. And we have just recently hit something like 44,000, I think, or something like that. High 42,000, just short of. So, first thing, stick a price pivot zone or flip zone on there, the close and the open on the weekly chart. That's the first area of interest that I had, and we can clearly see then we've confirmed down, or three candle reverse down. There's the penultimate low, a high rather, there's the ultimate high, so this is the level that closed through. So categorically, in order to continue up, we need to reverse up above here on the daily chart, because that's the penultimate low, that's the ultimate low, so that's the high that needs to be closed. But we can always attack those levels, which is why, we can clearly see we're bullish. Fast pullback, strong push to the north side again, one candle pullback. This could now easily just push back up. The reason I like it to that side, the upside, is because once again we can draw the flip area on there. Apologies, that was the support one, wrong level, that one there, and you can see this has touched the flip area there on this daily chart. So we have broken through the resistance of this inside bar. Doesn't mean an awful lot. It can go either way, of course. Means nothing apart from being a bullish trend up. We've closed through this resistance, so it didn't hold us support with this candle here, but we are currently, today, green, long. Obviously momentum's pushing up, momentum is growing to that when we look at the RSIs here. There's not much more we can tell from this daily chart, apart from we have a supply and demand area there, another price pivot zone, flip zone, call it what you like, there. The wicks tell us that there's been a battleground at that point, so that would be a good target area for longs. H4, well, I had drawn a lot of ascending, descending trend lines and things on the line chart. We could do that again, connecting all these levels as they push on down there to there. That's created a new low, and so on and so forth, there to there, and then an uptrend, slight uptrend on the line chart there, that high broken by price here, so we've clearly got a move to the long side. And now on this H4 chart you can clearly see we've got an uptrend going on here as well, low, high, higher, low, broken that area that created this new low here, so that's a valid resistance area. That's why I like that to the long side as well. Which is why I said at this point we need a nice momentum bar similar to this over here. But in order to attack that H4 level, which is on the chart up here, the H4 reversal there, that level there, that red candle's high, we have to get through the H1 reversal level. So now hopefully you can see why we're in an uptrend there according to the line chart. We've broken this downtrend. We've used this area here, which is clear resistance, which has created this down part here. I'm not sure whether there was a kink in the chart. Yeah, there's your kink, as it were. High, low, lower high, lower low. That's the valid connection point. I should have known that by the blue line, sorry. So you can clearly see we've broken a resistance area and using it as support with this higher high here now. So H1 is that's what I've drawn this for, because this is a downtrend, high, low, lower high, lower low. We need to break it with a little uptrend, low, high, use that final low, higher low there, lower high rather, as support, and then potentially continue on up. So I mean, these are rough areas. Obviously we could just pop up and close above that yellow line. That would be perfect. That would then give us our valid trend. Then as soon as it popped up above this sort of hypothetical high here, which could be here, as soon as it pops up over there with momentum on the H1, then we can continue consider a potential test of the H4, and then it will break through that and use that resistance over here as support, and so on and so forth. That's all we're doing all the time. Many people on Twitter now have realised this and are trading it well, which is fantastic. We can always still obviously use the low time frames to do exactly what we've done here with these blue lines, is to map out what we consider to be a reversal. That's all we're looking for. And obviously we don't trade H1 to H4, we trade M1 to M5 to M15 to M30 to H1. So all of the lower time frames, and that's the reason I made this video, because it would just go, it would blow your mind if I kept tweeting charts of M15 chart and then an M5 chart and an M1. We attack the reversal levels using the RSI histo and the 3 candle reversals and the line chart trends, as I've drawn here, to build up our reversal. And as I said on the last tweet of this sort of series, if you like, thread, if it goes the other way, that's fine. That's the whole point of having a strict set of rules, because and we can also trade it the other way. I didn't mention that on the tweet either, which was another reason for making this video. You know, the main trend, this whole move here, is down. So if this doesn't break up, as we hope it will do, or expect it will do, then we can get back into the downtrend. Same theory, and I've seen many charts posted by other traders like this. Just draw the lines there, and when it breaks through support and fails to hold, then you can just trade it down. So same thing, RSI histo strength to the downside, much like this over here. That's a perfect break, bust, pullback, break and close. It's attacked a trend line and price has just collapsed. So it can go either way. You can trade it either way. You need to make a plan for both eventualities, and you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Have a great Saturday evening and Sunday tomorrow.